How to record an ECG with PCA 500. First, position the blue box at the center of the chest between the nipples. Then wrap the tail of the strip around the left chest. Pull the electrode marked with right arm to the right arm, left arm to the left arm, and left leg to the lower left abdomen or upper thigh. Sit back in a reclined position. Snap in the recorder to the connector of the strip, then power on the recorder. Use a mobile phone or tablet to connect via Bluetooth, then follow the on-screen instructions. Once recorded, the results are instantly shared with doctors through the HIPAA-compliant QT Cloud.